Welcome to our tutorial. In this video I will show you how to analyze your performance using the Slide Lizard presentation report. To follow this tutorial you need to have given any presentations with Slide Lizard before. If you haven't used Slide Lizard for a previous presentation yet, please watch our tutorial on how to give a presentation with Slide Lizard. After you have finished your presentation with Slide Lizard, stay in the Slide Lizard tab and go to Feedback and Analysis. In the Info tab, you can see the data you shared with your audience. The title, the representing picture, and the description of your presentation. It is also shown if you have shared your business card or not, and you have an overview of all the links you shared with your audience. Back at Held Presentations, there is an overview of all the presentations you have given with this PowerPoint presentation. When you select one, you can see its general information on the right. First, you have the duration of your presentation and the time it took place. If you specified a location, you'll find it here. You can also see the number of attendees your presentation had. Next, you can see how many questions were asked in total. Click on it to see all the questions your audience had about your presentation. On the top, there is an overview of how many questions you've already answered. If a question wasn't asked anonymously, you can answer it even after your presentation. Just click on it and your default email program will open. You can also export your questions either as raw data to open them in Excel or to your clipboard to insert them in a Word document or any other documentation software. You can also review the results of your held polls during your presentation. Just click on the desired poll and its statistics will be shown. When you want to export the results of your polls, you either have the possibility to export all polls as raw data or to export each on their own. If you have selected a poll, you can also choose if you want to export the result as an image or again as raw data. The latter is useful if you want to analyze and work with your results in Excel, for example. Last but not least, you can also check out the feedback you received from your audience. Your attendees are able to give you feedback during and after your presentation, so it's advisable to wait for a few hours before you check it. Here you can see your average rating and the number of people who have given you feedback. Scroll through the list to see individual ratings and comments. All feedback is anonymous, so people can be honest with the rating. Thanks for watching. Now we wish you successful presentations with Slide Lizard. If you want to see more of our tips for Slide Lizard and PowerPoint, check out our blog or YouTube channel.